Check this beast out. My next door neighbour's got a spray painting business and they just gave me this. It's a compressed air dryer. And what it does is you have your inlet air and your outlet air, and there's a big chamber in there that gets really cold because it's a refrigerant based machine. There's a compressor and that in there. And it sits there, makes the air cold. So then when there's moisture in your air, there's the evaporator condenser side. So it's small, but it can do 2.5 cubic meters a minute. It's like 2.5. It doesn't use much power. It's like 3/4 of a horsepower. And this little port here is what shoots moisture out. There's a test button here, so it's on a timer. The reason this is cool is when you're running them crap direct drive air compressors, which to be honest I'm just going to run until they die at this stage, and you're doing a bit of painting or whatever, you can stop it from causing you all that condensation in your paint. So that's only pretty much the air dryer running at the moment. At 650 watts. The air compressor's got a moisture trap on the outlet of it here, which obviously always catches water. See, the fan just kicked in. The fan kicks in when the evap gets to a certain temp. Sucks in this side and blows warm air out the other. So this was just, it's off again. So that was just all full of gunk when they gave it to me. They gave it to me for nothing, and yeah, now we've got an evap style air dryer. I'm not going to paint this bin before the sun goes down anymore. But yeah, if you haven't seen a compressor dryer, that's what they are. Awesome thing. And yeah, low power consumption really. When we set up a proper air system, this is going to be incorporated somewhere in the shed, up on the wall or something, just for a bit of free warmth. And shoot that outside into a container. Yeah, once that compressor dies, it's going straight in the scrap bin. We're not even going to look at it again. We'll set something up with a couple of these, I reckon. I've got 3 of these pumps, the pump heads themselves. They're oil free. Yeah, I think there they go. It's that old Black Ridge there. Just waiting for the day that seizes up and straight in the scrap bin. It's done us proud. This has been in videos for like 7 years now. Yeah, catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.